Hello, welcome back. Now we're gonna install the software and code and get the PiCar running. I already have a micro SD card in the Raspberry Pi with Bookworm installed. I have an extra micro SD card. That one's gonna be for EzBlocks. This one's going to be for Python. They recommend you use two different micro SD cards, one for the EzBlock and one for the Python. Okay, here we are at the Sunfounder website. As you can see here, you'll have to click on the PiCar-X version 2.0 instructions, which will bring you here, Sunfounder PiCar-X. So I'm changing my plans. I'm gonna install that on this micro SD card, EzBlocks, and the Raspberry Pi OS. And this second micro SD card will be for Python, and my SD card with Bookworm already installed and other stuff I have, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to take that out. Since we're using a Raspberry Pi 5, it says if you are using the Raspberry Pi 5, please download the Beat version. Have any questions or issues during using, please don't hesitate to contact us. So, release date 2024-11/18. We're gonna try the Raspberry Pi OS with EzBlock pre-installed. So we'll be clicking on this link. Okay, so that means we're gonna install this one 2024-11/18. This image is based on the 2024-113 release of Raspberry Pi OS Bookworm Lite, pre-installed with libraries for EzBlocks Studio. So go ahead and download that. And we'll just give that a minute. That's almost done. We'll go ahead and open that. And extract. After extraction, open folder location. And there we have it. I got my micro SD card ready in my card reader. Insert your card reader. Now click on the OS with EzBlocks that you just downloaded. And then you'll get the Raspberry Pi imager. Yes, here it is, Bookworm Lite. You have to choose your device. We're using the Raspberry Pi 5. This will go blank, so click on Choose OS and go down to Select Custom, Use Custom. And here it is. So then click on that. Then you're going to choose your storage. Mass storage USB device. Then you'll go to Next. Here's where you will edit your settings. I already have my settings entered. If you do not, you can do that. So would I like to apply? Yes. Here's just a little warning. It's a new micro SD card, so I don't need to worry. And it is writing, so I'll just give that a minute. Okay, that's finishing up. You can now remove the SD card from the reader. And we'll put in the new SD card with the Bookworm and EzBlocks. I've put in the SD card and hooked up the USB-C from my computer. You'll need to download the Sunfounder Control app for the PiCar-X on the Play Store. I'm on Android. And you'll need to download EzBlocks Studio by Sunfounder on the Play Store. I've downloaded those to my phone. So I'm going to try to connect on the web to show you. We're going to connect. Please enter the IP address or host name. So I've entered the host name. There we go. The connection is successful. Battery is 98% and charging. This is the calibration. The page hasn't fully loaded. I did this already in my phone. Here's what the calibration page will look like. And you'll click on the corresponding servo that you want to calibrate, the steering or the pan tilt, and that's what the picture will look like. And here is the steering. So we're going to go into examples, and we're going to try this move program, and we'll hit run. Over here to the left, we have your block programming, basic, logic, your loops, your math, music, lists, for color programming, color recognition, variables, functions, and threading. An example of the updated PiCar voice.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Let's try actually driving around the car. And on the computer you can control it like this. Forward, reverse, left, right. I'm here with my laptop. We're gonna demonstrate just a little movement. Let's try color detection, red. The lighting in here isn't that good, but it should work for demonstration purposes. It is detecting the red. Let's take a look at orienteering, where you drive around and look for colors that the PiCar calls out.
Game start. Go green. Yellow. Game finish.
Let's go in the hallway and try the bullfight example. I got this little light off Amazon. Has a USB charger. It's magnetic and automatically turns off when it goes back in its holder. I hope you liked this video and it got you started using the PiCar-X. I'm going to get into some program with Python as well and expand what we can do with the PiCar-X. Thanks for watching. Now go build your PiCar-X.